In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw or redeem CoinMarketCap Diamonds using the best method for 2025. If you're looking to make the most out of your CoinMarketCap Diamonds, then this guide is just for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you know exactly how to effectively manage and utilize your diamonds on CoinMarketCap. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once you are on the Google homepage, you'll need to enter CoinMarketCap into the search bar. Click on the official CoinMarketCap link to navigate to the main site. Once you are on the website, direct your attention to the top menu. Look closely, and you'll see a tab labeled Diamonds. Click on this to enter the Diamonds section. Now that you're in the Diamonds section, it's essential to adopt the habit of collecting diamonds every day. They accumulate over time, boosting your balance and eventually allowing you to redeem them. On the Diamonds page, you'll find an option that says Collect Diamonds. Clicking on this will allow you to gather your daily diamonds and regularly increase your stash. Following this, there's an option to check how many diamonds you currently have. Locate and click on the Check Diamonds button. Here, you'll be provided with a summary of your diamonds balance, allowing you to track how many you've collected so far. Keeping an eye on this ensures you know when you have enough diamonds to make a redemption. For those curious about your previous transactions, you can click on History. This will display a detailed record of past diamond collections and redemptions, giving you insight into your collection efforts and past activities. If you're eager to earn even more diamonds, you can do so by completing tasks. There's a section marked Want More Diamonds? Complete these tasks. By clicking here, you'll access various tasks that you can complete to boost your diamond balance. Next, if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency's presence worldwide, head over to the page labeled Countries with Crypto as a Legal Tender. It's both informative and could serve as a great resource while you're already on the platform. After expanding your knowledge, return to the Diamonds section and click on Diamond Rewards. This is where you'll find the exciting array of rewards you can redeem using your collected diamonds. Scrolling down this page will reveal all the available offers. To explore even more reward options, click on Other Rewards. This section might have some hidden gems that are perfect for your interests or needs, so be sure to explore thoroughly. Finally, to see what you've already claimed, click on My Rewards. This will show you all the items you've redeemed with your diamonds, giving you a comprehensive overview of your diamond journey. And there you have it, a complete guide to navigating and maximizing CoinMarketCap Diamonds in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to utilizing those diamonds efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.